Hello and welcome to Medy Wellness, the kitchen segment. Today we have a healthy cake using sweet potatoes. Begin with washing the sweet potatoes and boiling them. Peel them, mash them. To our ingredient list, we have mashed sweet potatoes, wheat flour, whole grain oats, and we pre-soak ours with kefir, milk, eggs, sugar, baking powder, cooking oil, and our special ingredient kefir. Now kefir is a nutritious probiotic drink that is good for all family. We produce the kefir grains and kefir milk. Kindly make your order on the contacts below. So now we are preparing. Begin with your eggs. Pour in your sugar and your oil and mix them up. Add in your oats. We know that oats have good fiber and antioxidants, and they improve blood sugar. They are good for your health. So stir in and mix, and then now we have our sweet potatoes in another bowl. Pour in the flour and the baking powder in the bowl and start to mix. Add in the first mixture. And begin to mix up. Sweet potatoes, we know they are rich in fiber and minerals like iron, calcium, selenium, and many vitamins. And of course, our kefir is rich in bacteria and yeasts that make your body immune system to be strong every day. So we add in the flour and the milk until you have an even consistency. We know many people don't like eating sweet potatoes, especially our youth, but here we have a nice meal here, a nice cake. So on our prepared pans, we put in the ready consistency for the cake mixture, and with our preheated oven, place in the cake. My oven is at 250 and we'll cook it for about 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, we check. So we confirm by pricking in using a fork or a toothpick, and there we are done. Wow, not just a cake, but a healthy cake. Make the sweet potato cake the best recipe for your families. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Follow us on other social media handles. Medy Wellness cares for you and your family.